Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great. And today I will show you the new Windows Insider Preview update. So it's on the, if we go, you see that is on beta version. So you go to Windows Insider program and you will see that I'm on beta version, as you see here. And if you open, see the version here, and it's Windows 11 Insider Preview, build number 10.0.22631.2048, and I released. So it's a beta version. Check my all videos. You'll see yesterday it was the latest video or latest and the latest my video. It's the latest update in the release preview. And watch my channel, subscribe, like, and you will see the latest. And its build number, I'll tell you now. As you see here, it's what time now on. It's 22621.2066. It's the latest update for, and I record about that yesterday, and you can watch on my channel is the previous video. So the best for you to see my all videos. Maybe you are interested for someone to get like, subscribe, and you will get all my videos for following. And that's all. What you will see what is came out, what Windows, what version, and you can follow. Is the best way. Okay. So guys, now I will download this beta version and see what is. I know something I read and I will see, and you can watch, like I said, and I will record you what is on this beta version. I said 22631.2048, and I released. So guys, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and bye.